I bet you didn't know how crucial understanding debit and credit is for mastering advanced accounting. Accounting is like a big puzzle. It helps us understand where money goes. Businesses use accounting to track their money. It shows what they own and what they owe. This information is organized in financial statements. Accountants use special rules to record financial information. These rules make sure everyone understands the numbers. Accounting is important for making good business decisions. Without accounting, businesses wouldn't know how much money they have. They wouldn't know if they were making or losing money. So, mastering accounting is crucial for any business. Debit and credit are two of the most important words in accounting. They seem confusing at first, but once you understand them, accounting becomes much easier. Debit, or doctor, and credit, or CR, are how we record transactions. Every transaction has two sides. One side is a debit and the other side is a credit. Debit means the left side of an account. Credit means the right side. When we debit an account, we increase its balance on the left side. When we credit an account, we increase its balance on the right side. Mastering these concepts is key to understanding accounting. Let's say you buy a new computer for your business for $1,000. This is a transaction. We need to record it using debits and credits. The computer is an asset for your business. Assets increase with a debit, so we will debit the computer account by $1,000. You paid for the computer with cash. Cash is also an asset. Assets decrease with a credit, so we will credit the cash account by $1,000. Let's look at another example. Imagine you receive $500 from a customer for your services. This is another transaction. The money you received is revenue. Revenue increases with a credit, so we will credit the revenue account by $500. The customer paid you in cash. Cash is an asset. Assets increase with a debit, so we will debit the cash account by $500. Debit and credit are fundamental concepts in accounting. They help us track the flow of money in and out of a business. Every transaction has two sides, a debit and a credit. Understanding debits and credits allows you to understand financial statements. These statements provide valuable information about a business's financial health. By mastering these concepts, you can gain a deeper understanding of how businesses operate and make informed financial decisions. This knowledge is essential for anyone involved in managing or analyzing finances.